Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, find the missing number in the series 2, 3, 3, 8. Then you have to find out the missing number and the next number is 55.5. So you have to find out an intermediate number. After 8, what number will come? So here what is the given series? 2 followed by 3, again 3, then 8. Then you have to find out the missing number followed by 55.5. So whenever the same number is coming consecutively, here 3, 3, the same number is coming as consecutive numbers of the series. Then you have to recognize that there should be some decimal values involved like 0.5 or 2.5 or 1.5 or something like that. So from that you will be able to identify the pattern. So let's try to identify the pattern here. So 2 and 3. So what is the relation between 2 and 3? You can see that 2 into 1 plus 1 will be giving you 3. Okay, let's try to recognize relation between 3 and 8. 3 and 8 means 3 into 2 plus 2 will be giving you 8. So likewise, you try to deduce a pattern. So 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then this also you can know 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. So what is the relation between 3 and 3? So can you find out some relation between 3 and 3 so that this pattern can be completed? So let's see 1.5. So 3 into 1.5, what is 3 into 1.5? 3 into 1.5 is equal to 4.5. So 4.5, from 4.5 you have to get 3. So how you can get that? 4.5 minus 1.5 will be giving you 3. So here you can write it as 3 into 1.5 minus 1.5 is equal to 3. So now you got a pattern. 1 into 1, then 1.5 minus 1.5, then 2 plus 2, multiplied by 2 plus 2. First is multiplied by 1, added with 1. Then multiplied with 1.5, subtracted 1.5. Then multiplied with 2 and again added 2. So if this pattern is repeating, next number should come as 8 into 2.5 minus 2.5. So what you will be getting? 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. So 20 minus 2.5, which gives you 17.5. So now you have to check whether the series is coming correct or not. So 17.5 into 3 plus 3 should come next. 17.5 into 3 plus 3, which gives you 55.5, which is indeed the next number of the series. So the series is completed. So what will be your answer? Your answer is, the missing number is 17.5. You are getting your missing number as 17.5. So you have to identify the pattern. So once you identify the pattern, you can easily find out the missing number. So here when the same number is coming as consecutive numbers, you have to understand that there is some fraction involved like 1.5 or 0.5 or 2.5. So keeping that in mind, you have to deduce the pattern. So here you can easily say 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 8 and 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So using those two, you should be able to identify the missing link. So 3 and 3, what connection can come? So 3 into 1.5 minus 1.5 is equal to 3. So based on that, you try to complete the series and you have to check whether the last number is also coming correctly, and from that you can find out the missing number. Okay, so question number 2. So find out the missing number. The series is 6, 8, then followed by 8, 22. Then you have to find out the missing number followed by 151. So what is the series? 6, 8, 8, 22, then the missing number, then 151. So here also you can see that the same number is coming consecutively, 8, 8. So you should be able to find out some connection. So 6 and 8, what connection you can tell? 6 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then 8 and 22, what connection you can tell? 8 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 22. Okay, just a trial and error method. So 8 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 22. So based on that, if you are telling 8 into 8, any connection you can make. So 8 into 1.5. What is 8 into 1.5? 8 into 1.5 is equal to 12. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So likewise you will be getting 8 into 1.5 minus 4 is equal to 8. Then so up to 22 you got. So 22, following this pattern, it should come like 22 into 2.5 minus 8 is equal to 22 into 2.5 is equal to 44 plus 11, which gives you 55. So 55 minus 8 is equal to 47. So let's try to complete. So 47 into 3 plus 10 should come next. 47 into 3 plus 10. So 47 into 3 is equal to 141. 141 plus 10 is equal to 151, which indeed completes the series. So you can see that our pattern is correct. The first is 6 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 8. And you have here 8 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 22. So can you deduce some pattern from this? So you can understand that 8 into 1.5, since the same number is coming consecutively, you understand that some fraction is involved, either 1.5 or 0.5 or 2.5. So you can try out these numbers. So 8 into 1.5 minus 4 gives you 8. So from that itself you are getting a pattern. Plus 2, minus 4, then plus 6. So next minus 8 can come. Then here also 2, 1, 1.5, 2. So next 2.5 will come. So 22 into 2.5 minus 8, which gives you 47. So you have to check whether the next number is also coming correctly. So 47 into 3 plus 10 is equal to 151. So here your missing number is 47. Thank you for watching.